In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an indicator in TradingView with a quick and easy guide. Whether you're just getting started with coding in PineScript or you're ready to share your custom indicators, this guide will walk you through the entire publishing process, ensuring your work can be confidently shared with other traders. First, open up TradingView and head over to your chart. This is your main workspace where you analyze data, view trends, and make decisions. Now, move your attention to the lower part of your chart where you'll find the Pine Editor tab. This is an essential tool as it's where you write or modify your scripts in TradingView. Click on the Pine Editor to bring it up. Once you're inside the Pine Editor, you'll find various options to tweak your script. If your indicator is ready, the next step is to click on the Publish Script button, a key aspect of sharing your work. Publishing your script makes it available for others to use and comment on, potentially helping you gain valuable insights or feedback. To proceed, click on the Add to Cart option. While this might sound like it's about purchasing something, it's really about progressing to the next stage in the publishing workflow. Once you've added your script, you now have the opportunity to write a brief description or any other information that you'd like to include along with your script. Don't hold back here. Share what makes your indicator unique or beneficial. Now, you have two options. You can either publish a completely new script or update an existing one. Choose whichever applies to you. Once this is sorted, click on the Continue button. Here, you'll be faced with another choice: whether to publish your script publicly or keep it private. Public scripts are great for sharing with the community, but bear in mind that you may need a paid plan to publish publicly. If you prefer not to enroll in a paid plan, or if the script is something you want to keep for personal or select viewing, opt for publishing it privately. This feature also allows for customization, letting you decide how your script is shared or viewed. As you're ready to finalize, it's time to click on Publish Script. This action will cement your script into your TradingView space, ensuring it's readily available and visible on your chart. Now, your custom indicator can provide insights each time you analyze your chart, assisting not only you, but potentially enriching the wider TradingView community. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to publish your indicator on TradingView, making a crucial tool widely accessible. I hope this quick guide has been clear and helpful. Thanks for watching and happy trading.